Yes, we are already in the new year, 2022. And I have to come in a grand style. What better way can I enter this new year than to dress in this beautiful African fabric, African cloth? Hello, my name is Georgespratz. It's a beautiful year, and I promise you it's going to be fun, it's going to be interesting. With God on our side. Yes, I'm very sure you celebrated the Christmas really good. Our first lesson is going to be how to solo on a typical palm wine or a typical highlife rhythm. It's a slow tempo kind of highlife. We're going to get about 5 beautiful solo lines on this rhythm. I'm in the key of E, and I will leave a link to downloading the backing rhythm in the description. Very simple. Re mi fa fa re mi fa, and I place the kaput at the 4th fret position. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the rhythm which we are going to do our solos on. It's a very beautiful rhythm, isn't it? Yes, it is. I'm going to give you about 5 beautiful solo lines on this rhythm. Don't be in a haste to practice it. Take your time slowly. Accuracy and continuous practice brings speed. Accuracy and continuous practice brings speed. So take your time, study the notes slowly, note after the note. Don't worry yourself too much to trying to figure out the notes on the guitar. I've saved you a lot of time by putting the notes on the neck diagram below my finger for you. So I'm not going to talk too much. I wouldn't even speak at all. Because if you look on it, if you take time to study the notes fret by fret, you will be playing it, I tell you. In highlife, we use a lot of scales, but the most used scale on many highlife rhythms is the major scale. But unlike jazz and others, we use the dominant instead of the major. So where we have to play the T, we usually play the top. And that brings a difference. So most of the times when we have to play Do, we sometimes play the D. So for instance, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. So Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Do. Sol, La, Do, La. You can get things like that. So this is an example of the solo lines I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you some in single notes, some in duets using the first and the second string. I use other duets too, which use the first and the third string. But you'll be hearing the to, D, Re. These are typical highlife styles. So I could play them. So this about 4 beautiful ones is what I'm going to give you today. Take your time and practice it. My name is Pastor Georgespratz. You know me as Georgespratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the best time to do it. And in case you subscribe but didn't press on the notification bell, and I'm reminding you to press on the notification bell, so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. Please like our video, share our video, recommend our page to others. So if you are new here, this is not the only video. There are over 100 great videos for you. So just subscribe to Georgespratz, view some of these things, and learn some great stuff here. And in case you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with me, you can pick the numbers rolling, call me or WhatsApp me, and let's do it. Yes, many are doing it and many are learning. Don't let them leave you behind. Pick the numbers, call me, and let's do it. Thank you very much.